Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
National President Jong NPP Konrad K Sangma ubulongru umintirangba ka jilla haga ka santrik lalingkot altar posan ulapin pau budan ka Sngewskhem ba ka party jong u kan job yak election MDC haki atli ki autonomous district council harilum khasi bar harilum jantia kubansalong hakar puwaitrik urampang aratar posan ulayat hu bolo shong ka jingalang perkhatkam bagi kertong ke NPP narilum khasi bajantia haga bagi kertong lapin pau ba watla kidan ki jing e hangni hangte Hendrik la raikot bantri shitam ban yok khet yu so ka jing job.
Of course, we as a political party are working very hard and our candidates for at least the first and second list of candidates has come out, and as I said, all the candidates are working very hard. Even yesterday we had a review meeting with the candidates and we're getting very positive response. But of course, I've maintained this from day one that every election is different, every election is tough. There's no question of being overconfident. We have to work hard, which we are, and we're hopeful that things will be positive and we will win in this district council elections, both in Jhadc Hills and Khadc Hills. But of course, there are challenges. We have to work hard. Our candidates are at the grassroots even as we speak now, and even from the party side, all our different leaders are all prepared from throughout the state to work tirelessly during this coming elections. From the overall preparation from the government point of view, government has taken all necessary steps to ensure that the elections will be smooth. All the necessary administrative work, the manpower required, the machines required, all of that has been taken care of, and we expect that the elections will be going smoothly. See, anti-incumbency is always there for any government. You cannot avoid that. But if you look at the work that has been done by the Khadc Hills Autonomous District Council, a large number of bills that have been cleared, so many pending issues that were there which were not taken up in the past, was cleared by this current EC. And so therefore one cannot say that that this is they have failed miserably. Yes, there are a lot of challenges, a lot of issues that are there, but many innovative things, many important projects. Recently, the research scholars that they have brought forward, and they have funded them to have the entire database and documentation of the Khadc culture, the language in different aspects. I mean, these are very positive signs of how this particular EC is working in a positive way to take the region and the district council forward. So opposition will say many things, but this EC has done very well. As I said, a lot of pending issues that were there have been resolved. A lot more work is left, but we will continue to do the work in the future.